right about there.
Subscribe button's right down there. The red one that says subscribe. Click that, hit the bell, give us a like. Hey guys, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe now and join us on our journey. We'd love to have you along.
Hey everybody, hope you're having a good Memorial Day weekend. You guys are enjoying yourselves, out having some fun. Hope the weather's nice where you're at. Right here in Illinois, it is beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. About 67 degrees, sun shining, looking good. I just wanted to stop for a minute and say happy Memorial Day to everybody, and thank you if you spent your time and served for this country. It means a lot, so we could all be here and enjoying ourselves right now. Yeah, so where are you guys camping? What are you doing? Go ahead and comment below on what you got going on today and where you're at. We'd love to see and hear from you guys and know what you guys are doing on this beautiful Memorial Day weekend.